Volkswagen Barbie, and it's off to the golf cart because it's special delivery day. It is delivery day for a whole bunch of Felix parts. So peace out. Hope you're all having a great day. So a few months ago, I was making fun of CIP1 because every time they ship something, they send an entire box of ghost turds, you know, those little styrofoam peanuts, and they just go everywhere. Well, let me tell you, West Coast Metrics has upped the ante because in this box, completely filled with styrofoam goo. I don't even know what's in it. The box is so sealed. I'm basically gonna have to just rip chunks out to even figure out what is in this box. The entire box is filled with spray foam. Peace out. Hope you're having a better opening day than me. Even with all this foam, I still end up with peanuts. This time from Wilkesburg West. So, looks like I'll be doing a dump run this week for sure, just based on Felix's part.